Hey everyone, and welcome back to Abandoned Doors. Today is Sunday the 4th of June 2023. Just going to do an update on the RC Henderson building and Ding Dong Dang. They're pretty well gone. Still got the side wall of the RC Henderson building and the back wall and a bus. Anyway, yeah, I'm going to head over to the other side to the Chalmers and Devonshire Street side in just a moment. It is a Sunday, so it could explain why they're not doing any work. Haven't followed too much of the news updates over the last day or two. I'm not too sure if any of the residents have been able to return to this building, but hopefully it'll be a definite stressful time for them. It'll be a few weeks until people can return to this building, as you can clearly see that the fire definitely took its toll on it, unfortunately. The office building across the way, where they had to kick out windows as they were literally falling, as demolition crew, fire, police, everyone were doing their work, so they had to just knock these windows out. They've boarded up a bit of it, which is good. Stops rain and things getting in. But yeah, I thought it was supposed to be like a make-safe demolition, not a complete demolition. A bit weird. There's a building to the left there which I didn't expect to be demolished at all. That building definitely wasn't unstable, but it's completely gone. Weird, but yeah. Alright, so you can walk up just a little bit of Randall Street now and get a much better view, which I didn't actually know that you could do yet. Give me 1 minute. So this building on the end here that used to peak, you know, around the corner, you wouldn't have thought that was unstable at all, and it's gone. So I guess that when work week continues and once the investigations are done, the cadaver dogs have finished their work, I guess that the rest of it will just be demolished. That is a real shit. Alrighty folks, that's all for this video. I'll come back, I don't know, within, 3 to 7 days, 2 to 7 days, depending on how I feel, depending on if I see anything major worth reporting, I guess, as I pass Elizabeth Street on the bus. But thanks for watching. Please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, all that stuff, and I'll catch you soon.